you've got to comment and tell us what you think about that exhaust note with the CORSA H-pipe. Sounds absolutely amazing for a Mustang. Hey folks, Kenny with Fletch in the Fast Lane, bringing you a 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse that's had the Wild Willys treatment. This thing looks absolutely insane. Check out this blue ember metallic color, exclusive to the Dark Horse with the appearance package. Really impressed just with the shine. Really reminds me of the Mystic colors from the early 2000s on the SVT Cobra. Really stands apart and lets people know that you're driving a Dark Horse in an exclusive color on a Dark Horse at that. Some of the things that we've done to change the appearance and the performance of this Dark Horse is not just cosmetic, it's also performance. We'll get into that a little bit later. One awesome thing that I love that we've done is a Steeda handling package, carbon fiber front splitter. If you look at the detail on this, it's absolutely insane. So this is what would come on a handling package Dark Horse, but what we've done is partnered with Steeda to give you the carbon fiber weave, true carbon fiber, give you a awesome look while also maintaining a handling package appearance for this Dark Horse. If we come around to the side, we've got these amazing signature wheels that are titanium forged. These are actually a little bit larger than the factory Dark Horse wheel. This is a 20 instead of a 19. So it's a 20 by 10 up front on a 305 Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tire to give you that performance on and off the track. And then in the rear, we've got a 20 by 11. Again, these are titanium forged wheels, so they're shaving weight while also increasing the strength of the wheel. It really lets you see into the 6-piston Brimbos that are in an exclusive Notorious blue color. The fitment is just absolutely perfect on these wheels that we chose. This has been lowered on Steeda lowering springs to give you that nice stance, really give you something that's perfect for the track. Also without being too low that you can't drive it on normal everyday driving, say if it's a daily driver or you're going back and forth to the office. Let me show y'all what's under the hood. We got something special for you. So what we've done to make this Dark Horse unique and stand out from your everyday Dark Horse is we are running a WHIPPLE supercharger from the Ford Performance team. This is a stage 1. So you're looking at 810 horsepower, 640 pound-feet of torque. Even the air intake is different, and it says supercharged. Lets people know immediately what's going on under the hood, that you're not looking at a standard engine bay on a Dark Horse. Truly cool. It retains the 3-year 36, which is what I love. You still have factory warranty on it through the Ford Performance team, Ford part number. Really cool, awesome job from the people over at Ford Performance, now Ford Racing. So one thing that I think y'all might find interesting is that this is probably gonna have more horsepower than the newly announced Dark Horse SC, which they're only gonna be building about 1,200 of nationwide for 2026 model year production. So one, it's gonna be extremely hard to get. Two, this is probably gonna have more horsepower, probably more torque. They have not announced the torque and horsepower figures for that Dark Horse SC. My guess is because the Mustang GTD has 815 horsepower. This is 810. I'm guessing that they're gonna put it slightly lower than that. So my guess is maybe 790 is maybe 800. So this right here is putting out more horsepower, probably more torque than the Dark Horse SC. We'll soon find out, probably in the upcoming few weeks. Also, the price point is gonna be roughly in line with what the Dark Horse SC base is gonna cost. And this is gonna be a one-off build from Akins, so you're not gonna see another one going down the road that's gonna be identical to this one. Gives you something to sort of brag about to your friends, you know, going to the car show, or just friends coming over to your house, coming into your garage, wanting to see your new car, something that's gonna make this one stand out apart from any other build. Let's go next to the interior of the Dark Horse, go over some of the Dark Horse specific interior bits and pieces that make it unique. So a few things that I really like that they've done on the Dark Horse is they've added some dark navy blue elements to the seats, the stitching, and you've got this really cool Dynamica suede inserts on the seats on the premium trim level. Absolutely phenomenal attention to detail. I felt like that's something that Ford has done a really good job on the S650 generation compared to, I have a 22 S550 Mustang Mach-1. It's a phenomenal car, little lacking on the interior department, on just the interior refinement. It gives it a very upscale interior feel, something that I'm very impressed with that Ford was able to accomplish on this generation. And they've given you a lot of soft touch points. So just the interior refinement coming from an S550 guy into an S650, especially a dark horse, flat bottom steering wheel, all the grabber blue stitching that really just pops. It's one of the color elements that lets people know that you're in a dark horse is the interior colors with the blue accents. Very well done, Ford. Highly impressed. Not to mention you've got the 12.4-inch digital display and then a 13.2-inch Sync 4 display to your right. And it's combined into a 25-inch magnesium framed glass display. Very well done. It looks elegant. It looks like something that you would see in a Lexus or a BMW product even. Ford is really punching above their weight. Really did a phenomenal job on this interior. Quite impressed. Let's hear how this dark horse sounds with the WHIPPLE Supercharger. Now you've got to comment and tell us what you think about that exhaust note with the CORSA H-pipe. Sounds absolutely amazing for a Mustang. Love it. It's got a little bit of a high pitch to it. A little bit different than your traditional 5.0 sound, but really like it. Impressive with what CORSA's done with their resonator delete. Let us know in the comments what you think. And something that's really cool that every dark horse owner gets on a brand new dark horse delivery is from a year of your purchase, you can go to the Dark Horse Track Attack program up at Charlotte Motor Speedway in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's included for a year with your dark horse purchase. It's not talked about enough, and it's sort of one of those little hidden perks that you get on a brand new dark horse. So this would apply to owners of a 2024 and newer dark horse, and you get 1 year from the delivery date that you purchased your Mustang dark horse to attend this course. I went in 2023 with my purchase of the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-1 from Akins Ford. I had an amazing time. It's a one-day course, gives you full race instruction. So they're going over braking points, they're going over how to launch the vehicle, they're showing you no lift shift if you have the Trimix 6-speed manual. Really cool course. You also get some track time. You get some laps around the Roval and the inner road course on Charlotte Motor Speedway. Amazing team. They have 6 Ford racing instructors there that are going to be teaching you things. You've got walkie-talkies, you've got your helmet, 4-point racing harnesses, 4-point roll cage. The cars are basically stock. They've got a combination of dark horse handling package cars that are going to have the 10-speed automatic. Most are going to have the Trimix 6-speed manual, but you get an option between the two which you're more comfortable with as long as availability allows. But it's a really cool course. The cars are mainly stock, so you get very comfortable with driving your dark horse on a track, but in Ford Racing's actual dark horse cars for the program. When I went, the things that I was told that are different are going to be lightweight racing lug nuts. They run a different oil. I think the tire PSI was slightly different, but for all intents and purposes, it's a very, very close to OEM experience. So you get really comfortable with what your car's capabilities are and what the track limits that you can reach and what you're comfortable with. Absolutely loved it. You've got to go, you've got to check it out. Such an awesome experience. I know you'll enjoy it. So in closing, this 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse with these amazing Wild Willys upgrades is available for sale currently at Akins Ford in Winder, North America's largest Ford dealer. If this one does happen to be sold, we can build you another one. We do have very good dark horse allocation to get you a vehicle built. So we can do a custom order, a special order with Ford, get you the dark horse of your dreams, spec it out how you're looking for. And then if you want to do any extra upgrades to it, Wild Willie's team would be more than happy to walk you through that process with the Wild Willie's representative. Again, this is Kenny Fletcher with Fletch in the Fast Lane from Akins Ford and Winder. Come check us out. We're bigger and closer than you think.